It's never too late to learn some new sewing hacks. Let's start this journey together. If your jeans are a bit longer than you'd want them to, you can try this. Now this one goes for when there's a hole in your sweater. No matter how small the hole is, this flower looks better. Simply beautiful. Let's see what's next. A small change that makes a huge difference. You won't need anyone's help anymore when you know how to alter your clothes yourself. It's not fun to have holes in your clothes, and that's a known fact. But it's good when you know what to do with it. This one looks pretty interesting so far. It surely didn't fail to amaze us. It really is a great feeling to watch your work once you're done with it. Especially in this case, when you know how it looked like before you started sewing. This has probably happened to you at least once till now. It's good to know that there is a solution for it. Let's jump to the next idea, shall we? When your sleeves are shorter than they should be, you'll know what to do. Here we have the chance to see what you can do when there's a hole in your jeans. Way better than the hole. This is making us super curious to see what's the point of it. Turns out, that's how you shorten your jeans. We've learned enough from these ideas. What about you? Do you find them useful? That's what you call a nice cover-up. How annoying is this? You can follow these steps to take care of that issue. Thank you for watching with us.